हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बी क्यूरियस विद गौरव। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लाए हैं बीएससी के सेकंड ईयर इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर जो कि 2020 में पूछा गया था। तो अगर आप बीएससी सेकंड ईयर में किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी से हैं तो ये क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि अगले साल ये क्वेश्चंस भी आपके एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जा सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Question 1. Answer the following questions in brief. A. Discuss the position of transition element in periodic table. B. Give the electronic configuration of following elements. NB Z is equal to 41, LS Z is equal to 57, PD Z is equal to 46, OS Z is equal to 76. Question C. Explain the diatomic nature of CONH3 whole 6 3 plus ion on the basis of valence bond theory. D. What are the consequences of lanthanide contraction? Explain briefly. Unit first, question 2. What are the D blocks elements? Describe the general characteristics of the elements of first transition series. Or discuss the general characteristics of the elements of second and third transition series. How do the chemistry of these elements differ from the first series elements? Write the IPIC names of the following. Question B. Write down the formula of following complexes. Sodium tetracyanoglycolate 0. Second, potassium tetrafluoroorganate 1. Third, dichlorobis ethylene diamine cobalt third nitrate. 4. Sodium pentacyanonitrosoferrate second. Question C. What are the main postulates of valence bond theory? What are its limitations? Question 5. Discuss the following isomerism with one example of each kind of isomerism. 1. Coordination isomerism. 2nd. Ionization isomerism. 3rd. Linkage isomerism. 4th. Hydrate isomerism. B. What do you understand by effective atomic number? How does effective atomic number help in predicting the formula of different coordination compounds? Unit 3rd, question 6a. What are lanthanide elements? Give a brief account of lanthanide compounds. Question 6b. Describe the extraction of lanthanides from monazite sand. Or what are actinides? Discuss the general characteristics. Point out similarities and differences between lanthanides and actinides. Explain. 1. The actinides have more tendency to form complexes than lanthanides. Second, ions of actinides are colored. Third, why do actinides form oxocations whereas lanthanides do not form oxocations? Fourth, La3 plus is diamagnetic, but Ce3 plus is paramagnetic. Unit 4, question 8a. Write the Latimer diagrams for various oxidation state of iron found in Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, FeO4 2 minus, and Fe0 and bromine in BrO3 minus, BrO minus, and Br minus. 8b. What are Lewis acids and Lewis bases? Explain with suitable examples. C. Discuss the precipitation reactions in liquid ammonia. Or question 9a. Describe the general methods used for the extraction and purification of metal from their ores. Question 9b. Arrange the following acids in their increasing order of strength. HClO, HClO2, HClO3, and HClO4. Question 9c. Discuss the complex formation reaction in liquid sulfur dioxide.